If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can enter a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online to return an item to a vendor or enter a credit for overpaying an earlier bill. To create a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button in the navigation bar. Then click the vendor credit link under the vendors heading in the drop-down menu to open the vendor credit window. Select the name of the vendor from the vendor drop-down. The vendor's mailing address should then appear in the mailing address field. Enter the date of the credit into the payment date field. To enter a reference number for the vendor credit if needed, type it into the reference number field. Then fill out the remaining fields in the upper portion of the vendor credit like tags or location if enabled as needed. If not returning items or services from your products and services list, then use the category details section to select to which account to apply the vendor credit. You most often select the matching account from the original bill for which you received the vendor credit. Alternatively, if returning items or services from your products and services list, select the items to return from the item details section instead. To enter a note about the vendor credit, type it into the memo field. To attach a file to the vendor credit, use the Attachments field. In the toolbar at the bottom of the window, you can cancel the vendor credit by clicking the Cancel button. To enter a recurring vendor credit if needed, click the Make Recurring button. This is not often needed by most businesses. To save the vendor credit and then open a new window or close the window, click or select a choice from the Save and New, Save and Close drop-down button in the toolbar in the lower right corner of the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.